A new power, a new dream. The 2026 Porsche Taycan GTS is here to redefine what it means to drive electric. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge innovation. When you first lay eyes on the Taycan GTS, you immediately feel its aggressive stance and aerodynamic precision. It has the same sleek silhouette that has made the Taycan instantly recognizable, but the GTS variant gets sharper lines, a lower stance, and unique design accents that scream performance. The blacked-out trims on the front fascia, side skirts, and rear diffuser give it that signature GTS attitude, while the 21-inch RS Spider design wheels perfectly complement its sporty DNA. The front, the LED matrix headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus are more than just striking, they adapt intelligently to driving conditions for better visibility and safety. The rear is just as bold, with a continuous LED light strip and the iconic Porsche lettering glowing across the back. The GTS badge sits proudly, letting everyone know this isn't your average electric car, it's born from motorsport and built for the future. You also get a new color option exclusive to the GTS lineup, including the stunning Carmine Red and Crayon Gray, which highlight its dynamic bodywork beautifully. Step inside, and the luxury continues with an unmistakable Porsche cockpit, reimagined for the EV era. The 2026 Taycan GTS offers a perfect balance between digital sophistication and classic sports car ergonomics. The interior features a race-inspired design with high-quality materials like Racetex microfiber and brushed aluminum. The GTS comes with exclusive black interior accents, GTS badging on the headrest, and contrast stitching that adds a touch of elegance and sportiness. The driver gets a curved 16.8-inch digital display with configurable options, along with a 10.9-inch central infotainment screen and an optional passenger display for added interactivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche Communication Management are all integrated seamlessly. There's also an advanced heads-up display and voice control that responds naturally to commands. The new software updates have improved system response and made navigating through menus faster and smoother. Comfort isn't compromised either. With 14-way power-adjustable sports seats, a panoramic fixed-glass roof, and 4-zone climate control, the Taycan GTS ensures every drive is a first-class experience. And even though it's a sports car at heart, the rear seats offer enough space for adults, making it a practical choice for daily use. Under the hood, or rather beneath the sleek surface, lies the real magic. The 2026 Taycan GTS is powered by dual electric motors producing up to 590 horsepower with launch control. That's enough to rocket the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The acceleration is instant and brutal, but what truly sets the GTS apart is how it handles. Thanks to the adaptive air suspension, Porsche active suspension management, and torque vectoring, the Taycan GTS feels planted and sharp through corners while maintaining comfort on rougher roads. The chassis tuning has been specifically optimized for the GTS model, giving it a more engaging and dynamic driving experience. You also get rear axle steering and regenerative braking that's not only efficient, but helps give that traditional Porsche feel through the brake pedal. The GTS is not just about straight-line speed, it's about control, balance, and that thrilling connection between car and driver. When it comes to range and charging, Porsche has also stepped up. The 2026 GTS is equipped with the latest 93.4 kilowatt-hours Performance Battery Plus, offering an estimated range of around 285 to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. Thanks to its 800-volt architecture, you can fast charge from 5% to 80% in just about 22 minutes with a high-speed DC charger. Porsche's expanded charging network and partnerships make finding a fast charger more convenient than ever. As for pricing, the 2026 Porsche Taycan GTS starts at around $140,000 in the US, with optional packages like the Premium Package, Performance, Battery Plus, and Custom Paint or Wheels easily pushing that figure higher. But for those who crave electric performance wrapped in luxury and crafted with racing pedigree, the Taycan GTS delivers unmatched value. It doesn't just compete with electric cars, it competes with the very best sports sedans, period. And the 2026 Taycan GTS isn't just another EV, it's Porsche's boldest step into the electric future while staying true to its performance roots. It's fast, focused, and full of personality. Whether you're a Porsche purist or a tech enthusiast, the Taycan GTS has something for everyone. So if you're looking for an electric vehicle that drives like a true sports car, looks like a futuristic missile, and carries the legacy of a racing icon, this is it.